first opportunity is you're getting free training from John Deere and manufacturing technologies and stuff like that. And that's something that you can carry with you throughout the Quad Cities in any technical area. And it opens up, again, opportunities for possible employment through Deere in the future. Our second opportunity is that in the class, everyone that takes the class has a chance to go to Blackhawk and have all their classes paid for to get their associates through Deere because of joining that class. And then the third opportunity is that class also has a possible internship that you could do for the company. That would be over the course of the summer, so you would get paid to learn. And it's also the opportunity to go from that into an actual job. So if you're looking for a future in manufacturing, this class is the one for it.